DIY recycled coffee table, upcycling at its finest. Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a DIY recycled coffee table. In this video, we will show you how to create a unique and stylish coffee table using materials that are easy to find and inexpensive, and that you can recycle. This is upcycling at its finest, and this project will take you approximately 5 minutes. Materials. For this project, you'll need an old wooden crate or box, 4 caster wheels, screwdriver, drill, measuring tape, sandpaper, paint or stain of your choice, paintbrush or roller, glass or acrylic sheet, silicone adhesive. Instructions. Step 1. Sand down the wooden crate or box to smooth out any rough spots. Step 2. Apply paint or stain to the wooden crate or box using a paintbrush or roller. Allow the paint or stain to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. Measure and mark the 4 corners of the crate or box where you want to attach the caster wheels. Step 4. Use a drill to make pilot holes for the screws in the marked spots. Step 5. Attach the caster wheels to the crate or box using a screwdriver. Make sure that the wheels are attached securely and that the table can roll smoothly. Step 6. Measure the top of the crate or box and cut the glass or acrylic sheet to size using a saw or utility knife. Step 7. Apply silicone adhesive to the top of the crate or box and place the glass or acrylic sheet on top, pressing down firmly to ensure a secure bond. Step 8. Allow the adhesive to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 9. Step back and admire your new DIY recycled coffee table. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just created a stylish and unique coffee table that is not only easy to make, but also environmentally friendly. This DIY project is a great way to give new life to an old wooden crate or box, and it's an excellent way to recycle and to save money. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see your finished product. Remember to post your pictures in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.